Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, there is a big news for you all. Online Study for You has finally launched most awaited aptitude and reasoning 2 weeks classes or 2 weeks workshop by Pratik sir for all IT and non-IT companies, and you will be able to get the certificate at the end of the classes, right? So whoever is enrolling for the class, they will be able to get the certificate. Now, when the classes is going to start, so the classes is going to start from 17th of July 2023. That means next Monday, and time is 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. daily, right? If you miss the classes, don't worry, recording will be available. And here we are going to solve 10 years aptitude and reasoning question. I mean, previous 10 years aptitude and reasoning question asked in various IT and non-IT companies, right? And we will be able to cover almost 200 plus aptitude and reasoning question, not less than that. And what about price? The price is just 99 rupees. And friends, most of the students always ask, sir, why you keep the prices so low? 99 rupees, 199 rupees, 299 rupees. I will tell you the reason. Friends, right now in this particular situation, right, where limited number of companies are hiring, right, many of the student has not got a job. For them, even 10 rupees is a big amount right now. See, after they get placed, then definitely 99 or 1000 rupees is not a big deal. But the students who are searching a job, for them, even 10 rupees is a big deal. That is the reason I don't keep more price, so that you will be easily able to pay. And see, in our side, we will be able to earn less, but that is fine. See, there was a time we have earned more also when there were a lot of hiring, mass hiring. But right now, I don't want to do that, right? So friends, every IT and non-IT companies ask aptitude and reasoning in their first round. Let it be TCS, Infosys, Wipro, CTS, Accenture, or any IT and non-IT companies. Majority of the students fail in the first round itself. Hence, Online Study for You has decided to launch the most awaited, biggest 2 weeks workshop by Pratik sir. The link is in description, friends. Do not forget to check it out, right? So if you'll check the video description, the link will be there. And also we have put one demo videos, so I will be only taking this 2 weeks workshop classes, so you can watch one of the recorded videos here, okay? And this is a demo video. And also if you want to see my classes, okay, so you can search on YouTube like Aptitude Online Study for You, so you will be getting a lot of videos, right? So you'll be getting a lot of videos here, so do check it out. So I have done almost some more than 200 videos on aptitude itself, okay? So you will be getting an idea how the classes is going to be, so you will be able to solve maths in mind. So I'll be teaching you a lot of shortcut techniques which will save you a lot of time in the examination, okay? So friends, we will be able to cover, as I said, so 200 plus questions of aptitude and reasoning, not less than that. But the prices will be increased to 199 rupees after 50 registration. Friends, we cannot take more students in the class, so that's the reason we have kept the limitations. So first come first serve, so please register as soon as possible, so that you don't have to pay 199 rupees later. Time is 7 to 8 p.m. on daily basis, and start date is 17th of July. I will tell you some features of the class once again. Please check the link how to enroll, so that link will be in description, so that you will be easily able to enroll. Now, so features basic to advanced level. So even if you do not have basic knowledge of some topics, don't worry. So we will cover each and everything. Classes by Pratik sir. Recording of the classes will be automatically shared. So if you miss any class, the recording will be shared with you on the daily basis. So don't worry. IT and non-IT exam previous year questions will be covered. Explanation, complete explanation will be given to you. Recording of the video will be available on daily basis. Live doubt clearing session, so you can ask all your doubts in the live session itself, okay? If you don't understand anything, you can attend the classes on app as well as website. So if you have mobile, then also you can attend the class. If you have a laptop, then also you can attend the classes, right? Okay, so the classes is going to start from 17th of July 2023. So please do enroll as soon as you watch the video, right? So you have to pay just 99 rupees for this 2 weeks of classes, which will also give you a certificate at the end of the class, right? Any doubt, any further doubt, so definitely you can put in the comment section. You will get a overall idea. So what are the syllabus, right? So what are the syllabus by different companies? Okay, what basically which topic is very important in aptitude, which topic is very important in reasoning? Each and everything will be discussed in this particular 2 weeks workshop by myself. Okay, thank you and see you in the class. Enroll right now. The link is in description. Thank you. Take care all the very